Every flight begins with a few quiet steps. The wind lifts the wing, and suddenly you're airborne. It never feels routine. There's a moment your feet leave the ground, and you realize you're no longer connected to anything below, just the air and the view. Once you're in the air, there's a kind of stillness. The noise fades, and your thoughts slow down. You're watching the world from above. Hills, rivers, roads. All of it drifts below like a moving map. It's not about chasing adrenaline. It's about being in the moment and knowing there's nowhere else you'd rather be. Some views come and go. Others follow you long after you land. If you're ready to try it yourself, we'll be here, waiting for the wind to be just right.